If your day feels like an endless to-do list, you're a prime candidate for AI. AI is like a super smart assistant for everyone, not just tech experts. Here are 5 simple AI tools to boost your productivity. Struggling with emails or homework? Try ChatGPT or Grammarly to make your writing clear and professional. Forget important meetings? Google Calendar's AI features will remind you and suggest the best times for tasks. Need creative ideas? Notion AI or Jasper can brainstorm dozens of cool suggestions instantly. Want to learn new skills? Duolingo and YouTube AI content personalize lessons just for you. Designing a poster? Canva AI and Adobe Sensei make it super easy, even for beginners. Think about this. Remember how you wished for extra help with school, work, or organizing your day? AI tools make that wish come true. Start small. Try one tool today and see how it changes your day. Which AI tool will you try? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tips on using AI to make life better.